Okay, here we go. Obviously gonna have to double check everything because this is the first time we're doing this. But hey, we're doing a coding stream because I don't know why you guys wanted a coding stream. Right, I think I sent messages out. Yep, the Twitch one. Well, the Twitter one is out. I posted the thing. Right, we are good to go. Oh, why did you guys want me to do this? You know I'm self-conscious about these things. Oh god. Scree and Revy, why? We are gaming, we aren't. Wait, actually we aren't. No, we're not gaming. I was thinking of doing Apex, but then it was like it's the first day. It's just going to be a load of shit. It's just going to be so bad. Uh, EU light theme. This is the blue theme because the light theme is honestly an abomination. I like the blue theme because honestly the colors of the text just look better to me. I normally have dark mode and everything, but like for some reason when coding, I like a white background on coding. For some reason the dark aspect of like a black screen with like text on it. I don't like it for some reason. Blue, but your brand is black and red. Oh god, I can't even remember how you change the thing. Is it customize? No. That's one thing I have to be careful of. This is monitor capture, so it's like, don't want to give anything away. Environment, freaking. Oh right, it was at the top. Yeah, color theme blue. I do have some modded ones, but honestly, that none of them were none of them were any good. Also, that's not IntelliJ. Why would I use IntelliJ? Use Visual Studio. Yeah, this is light mode. Oh god, that's light mode. What do you mean, give anything away? You're the only person out of Discord who would not have. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Right, let's get rid of this. I think that this is the standard dark theme, but even then it's like, ugh. I don't know why. I just don't like it like this. It's just weird to me. Well, I could live with it, but honestly, it's just. Which I'm gonna say which one would you prefer, chat? But you're gonna say dark mode, aren't you? You're gonna say dark mode. Dracula theme is Chef's Kiss. Oh, do I have Dracula? Dark with light editor. No, I don't think I have. Purple. Purple was supposed to be alright. I can't remember. It's been so long since I changed it. Oh god, that no. Yeah, I remember why I don't have the purple one. We'll just go with just go with dark. I know you guys are gonna want dark. Oh, that reminds me, I'm gonna have to swap it on. Oh, it does it automatically between the two because I have both open right now. Oh god. Think fast, flashbang. Blind the coding community. I can see the letter. Yeah, yeah. I guess you guys will want a dark theme just to see. I personally prefer the blue theme. Hema would like the purple. The purple one. I can't see the document names. So that just sucks. This looks like Hema's ID. God. Is there a pink one? That's a good question. What, I just know it's Big Face. The fuck is Big Face? Oh, that's strange. There's like a green tint, and that hurts my eyes. Oh, it doesn't even color. Oh god, right. I'm getting off that. Jesus, it doesn't even color everything correctly. Did you try IntelliJ or just went with Visual Studio? Through my time, I have used IntelliJ, but honestly, like, I'm just comfortable with Visual Studio. IntelliJ I've used for like closure and stuff like that at university. Universities like to use, in fact, they use both. My university used both. Well, it depended on the language. Closure and Java, I think we did in. Well, no, Java we did in Android Studio. Closure we did in IntelliJ, and then anything object oriented was in Visual Studio. I'd like a pink, blue, and white for no specific reason. Oh god, that would hurt the eyes. That would hurt the eyes. So many different colors. I just like JetBrains stuff. IntelliJ, PyCharm, Sea Lion. Yeah, I'm a very like from my education and what I've gotten into, so like games and stuff. I'm a very C person. So like all the stuff I do is in C or C based. So it's like this is C sharp. I know how to do C++ and I know how to do C in theory, but I've not had, I don't think I've had to do actual C in God knows how long. Anyway, I don't know where to start really. Because I was working on TwitchBot stuff, so... Oh, here's the deep dive. C or C. The letter C. C is just like C++ but actual pain. I thought C++ was the actual pain version. C++ was the pain version. Like, C is the long version, C++ is the pain version, and then C sharp is the slow version. That's what I get. Oh god, right. This right. We'll just start with a show. I'll just take a. I'll start by giving a tour of what I've done so far. I do have both open, so like this is the original, because I do have stuff to move over. Freaking, where's the homepage? Because I don't want to just throw you into the. Oh yeah, main form was the homepage. But yeah, I'll give you a tour. I'll get a bot tour. Yeah. So right, we'll start from just I don't know the top. Just the saved prefix of exclamation point SR, and we'll work our way down, storing all the details. I've got the about me text on it. Just a get. It'll just produce this all the time. The blacklist, I haven't implemented a blacklist yet. That was going to be next until I decided we're going to move over to WPF because WinForms fucking sucks. Oh yeah, if you want to see why I don't want to do WinForms anymore, freaking okay, yeah. I have to manage a page of over 1,000 lines. Because, yeah, I've had to organize everything into just... it's just... I have to do an update as well. I hate it so much. Like, to get things to work, I needed to make an update. And it has to go through everything, setting values. I wanted this to end so bad. Just, God. Those that actually know about coding, like, this calls every 0.2 seconds, I think. And it is pain. It is just awful. And it just keeps going as well. All the buttons, everything is just in. Never start in WinForms. Like, use WinForms if you're, like, learning, but never use WinForms as a major project. Like, I swear to God, it is just Oh yeah, all the events and stuff. I have to go through these and move over. Oh god, yeah. Anything was just doing the same thing as well, and it was just ugh. Whereas now, I have everything in like view models and stuff like that. So whenever something changes, it's literally just triggers this and it notifies, and all those notifies just do specific names, and it's so much better. It's so much nicer. It's also it's weird for me looking at this with a white screen, without the white screen. Oh god, it's just yeah. That is why I'm getting away from this. Oh yeah, my little to-do list and stuff at the top. Oh yeah, if you wanna, those I assume most people here haven't actually seen what ScoredBot is like looks like. So this is ScoredBot. This is the thing that I have open all the time. This is its current appearance. This is the version that you're actually hearing right now, but obviously not this one. This is not running. Before stream, I cleared out the details because yeah, you don't want to give those out. Those are like backdoor stuff to your channel. So yeah, I've cleared those out. Oh god. Wait, your one file's over 1,000 lines? Yeah, that I didn't want that to happen. It's just because of how WinForms works, it just kept growing and growing and growing. It's so bad. Oh crap's the Apex DL in the back is making Twitch go brr. Oh god, you haven't got the download out of the way? Oh god. Oh god, right. Yeah, that is a big work. Well, it's not the download's not that bad. It's the patching that's bad. It's like a 60 gig patch. It's ugh. But yeah, ScoredBot. You have all the stuff to manage all the things. You've got a little debug thing telling you all the stuff it's done. Yeah, I was gonna do the blacklist and settings stuff there, but didn't get around to it. Settings, I think it was just, yeah, output processing message, which that's the command received message that we post out. But yeah, all the it manages all the songs in the background. It handles so much. While I'm at it, I'll show you what it's gonna look like. So once it's done, it's gonna look more like this. So it's more compact. It will now like save and like manage like the screen size and stuff like that. It's got a nice little thing on the side. Welcome to ScoredBot. Compressed player. Tabbed inside the tabs as well. It's so nice. So like the blacklist thing is going to be here. That there's supposed to be a text box there, but I think that's broken because very early. Song request thing, all the settings and stuff will be managed in there. It's going to be so good. So this entire HUD is hand built. Oh yeah, I've made this entire thing. So like Visual Studio does give you like tools to just drag and drop stuff. But like, yeah. Oh yeah, these are like little things that like I can actually do this now. So if I click hide the welcome tab, I can now just it's gone. You don't have to worry about it and it's back. You don't care about the debug settings? Yep, there you go. It's gone. Oh, it's like it's so nice. Let me show you quickly just a page. Which page would be a good show? Secondary playlist. Oh god, the theme. Okay, yeah, I didn't think. Okay, that's really bad. Yeah, because the theme's gone dark, it's actually extremely. Ah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, I have dragged and dropped and put in all of these things because it's all in code. Well, hang on, I'll split it and show you like that. Well, that The dark theme is really not helping my case here. Yeah, all of the layout is now in nice little XAML formats. It's so nice. Instead of having to like move an inch in position and stuff like that, I can actually just be like, right, just give it a margin, just stick it there in a list perfectly. It's just, oh, it's so nice. I think the welcome could be a pop-up when opening the bot with a tick to never see it again ever. I intend for the page to just like I don't want it to just be like a big box pop-up. I'm gonna just have it a page with like all the links I ever want in there, all the stuff like all the generic opening and maybe even like just a guide in there and stuff like that. But in the end, if you don't ever want to see that again, there'll be a tick box in the settings to just hide it. But yeah, it's going to be a lot more than just welcome to ScoredBot. It's very early. Maybe patch notes. Yeah, exactly. Stuff like that. So like that entire tab would have a tab section in it with like the welcome, the links to my channel and where to get updates and stuff like that, and then patch notes and stuff. Damn, my brain couldn't visualize all these words making a picture. Oh yeah, it's like let me sort this because yeah, all the words and stuff make all these boxes and stuff like that. This is a list, er- list areas, stuff like that. You have to manually program all these to like be actual radio, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, so it's all just like it's mainly the structure. It's mainly the structure, not the wording. As long as it's like things are in, it's like this section here is inside a tabbed area called header data, so that'll put this inside that tab, and it's kind of hard to just summarize coding so quickly. One wholesome dev. Where's that jam? Just a wiggle. Welcome, welcome. Chat demanded that I show off ScoredBot, the music player that you hear in the background right now. Or if you're in a VOD, ha, get screwed. We're on the Twitch. You're on the Twitch VOD soundtrack. You don't hear anything. Currently, just showing everyone around ScoredBot because yeah, people aren't used to it. I more just say like, hey, yeah, I code this bot, and now they're like actually seeing the behind the scenes of it. But yeah, this new WPF version, it's still a long way off. Cause yeah, all my all my connected events are just they're not implemented at all yet. I think if I remember, you boot it up, and like currently it just comes up saying, yeah, method or operation not implemented, error occurred. Yeah, so it's still very early. On the move over, just connecting everything. This is as close as it gets to having scored intimate ruined. Ah, yes. An intimate room tour with your boy. Oh, God. Oh, got it. Yeah, it's not just a song container as well. It's all the Twitch. Oh, there's so many. That reminds me, I should. Yeah, that's why I have the old original one open right now because I need to go through and grab them all and convert them. Because yeah, it's gonna work. Probably gonna work differently. So if we go to the, that one, first one, nothing, nothing in it. Oh god, here's a good example. So, song request output changed. So, how do I show this? Da, da, da. So there we go. Right. So this, for example, is managing the text at the bottom. This little bit here, because it's had a thing saying like, "Oh yeah, the song's changed," and oh, just okay, just trying to get a DMCA strike on my VOD. Okay, that's what I have to be careful of. Oh, and then yeah, freaking, because it's in a volatile environment, just yeah, crapped itself. But that's fine. That's not an error to worry about, or worry about anymore. So how do you navigate this since it's one giant vertical text file? So we have as programmers, it can depend on the environment, but we have things that give us like quick access and stuff. So like go to definition will take us to where I've defined it. So this is defined here on this line. If you want to know where it's been called, then you do find all references and stuff like that, and it'll tell you where it's actually being called and stuff like that. You do gotta be wordy, like you do gotta know the language to understand what you're reading. Oh god, hi dwarf. But yeah, this thing for example, this bit, we're actually in the Twitch bot part. These are the commands. So the way I've written the commands is basically where's the text receive? So this is when you receive a message, when you guys type in chat. So this is what the bot is actually doing right now, because this part was able to just be copy pasted from my old bot. Brings in a message. I translate the message in like from their like the Twitch lib version into my own format. I send the message into my system because yeah, we've received a message. I break up the message based on spaces, remove all the empty ones. I do actually have a thing to check for blacklisted words, but yeah, currently that blacklisted words is empty. But then basically compare the first message, well, the first section of the message, see if it's an SR, like a song request prefix. Ignoring the case, obviously. And if it is, it'll then process it into the commands and all that stuff and send it into the bot, which will then send it into the song request manager. And oh, it's so hard to actually describe this out loud. So it's a dictionary for your commands. Yeah, I wanted it to be like, yeah, if the message contains, if the command received is basically that string, then yeah, do this action. So like it performs an action, which is just the whole thing highlighted, and the action I've got there is just invoke a command. So small. Well, it's a coding environment. I can't really help it. Here he may. Boyfriend trying to learn this. What's the invoke command? Does it summon things? It's basically, this is an event, and when you initiate an invoke, you're basically just saying, okay, everything that is listening to this like event, like the waiting for this event to fire, everything that's waiting for it's fired. Like we're firing it right now, and this is the command that I'm giving it. A new bot command container, which I've made. I've got an enumerator basically saying what the type of command it is. What I'm putting in is the I think it's just the username. Yeah. So command type the username that invoked it, and then a list of commands, and then extra is just an object to stick anything else in there. Shorts is small. Me yesterday. You took Scored's huge PP away. What? hang on a minute. Checks pants. What? I did something similar with my Discord bot. Yeah. Invoke means start blasting. Essentially, yeah. It's basically if anything that's listening to this, it's like, go, 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 go. It's like, yeah, go for it. Go for it. Oh, God. Oh, we're currently in the old one as well. I think I kept it the same. Twitch bot. Yeah, it's mostly the same. I think. Oh yeah, I started another one for custom commands, but that one currently doesn't need it doesn't need to be defined here. It will be populated later inside the bot itself. So I'll work out ways to give you guys command over that. That way you can do like exclamation point lurk and stuff. The checks pants. I'm pretty sure you're still here, mate, aren't you? It's like, yeah. Oh God. Where were we? Right, I was showing you guys round. Yeah, TwitchBot is mostly the same. Oh yeah, setting up the custom command thing. So this is the new thing compared to the old one that I've been working on. So the old one didn't have a custom command, and then the new one I've added on the end to basically compare against the custom command dictionary. So yeah, that'll be something to look out for. Not when I finish this update. It'll be in a future one because yeah, I'm gonna have to. I have to work out how that's gonna work. Like how it's actually going to do stuff, like in the UI and like how to actually get you guys to populate that. For now, it's just yeah, it's in for the sake of it. PP check command when. Oh god, when custom commands is in, yeah, we could probably do like ones like PP check. I'll probably set up like a Discord room to be like, what bot commands do you want? And then we'll see what I can do. Just popping by to say hi. I'm on very close to dead iPod. Oh right, your iPod's. I thought you were very close to dead again. Okay, right. Here, Woodsy. How do you manage to not get confused with all going to line parenthesis because of the if-else commands? So we do have things like coding editors do provide stuff to help with what you're looking at. So like you'll see here, there's if-else. I click on the if. This is the structure of this one. So it starts there, goes on to if-else here, goes into if-else down here, and that's just one continuous line on a dotted line here. I'm not sure how well you can see that on stream. But dotted line saying where it's going. And then on the inside you can click on this one, it's saying like, yeah. I am also having to explain this in a different colour theme to what I'm used to, because you guys don't like the blue theme. Oh god. Woodsy perishing classic Tuesday. Make a Hime command. It'll be in the custom commands. I mean, in fact, I could probably just do a silly SR one now. I don't know. Well, I'm running a high temperature and struggling to breathe, you know. God, it is 28 and a half in my room right now. We are going into a heat wave in the UK again, but my area is actually not even in the amber warning now, so haha, get wrecked, southerners. Haha. We have one, it's called Air. Not just sound, just a Hime one. I don't know what it does, yeah. Yeah, you have your Hime Air. Link your Discord stream, Keck. That I think I actually, because the old bot didn't have anything for the raid, I think. Yeah, I had that on the to-do list to do raid and hosted notifications, but I think I actually populated them now. So yeah, on being hosted, it actually does calculate the stuff to do that now and provides a appropriate message. This will be in the new bot, but obviously that needs testing. Yeah, it'll do a twitch.tv and then the channel that raided. So hopefully that works. Hime commands summons the Hime. It just directly summons you. It doesn't matter if you're at work, Hime. It's just like, you're here now. Pulled Hime from the ether. Should say what we want. That custom commands and they're not in yet. Please calm. Exclamation point Hime just queued and force plays the song Hime Hime. Oh my god, that'd be too powerful. That would be too powerful. That's the thing as well. I need to for custom commands I still have to do a timer. I have to do timer mechanics to actually make sure that like it doesn't get spammed too much. The heat wave goes all around where I live. Nah, you're actually gonna have to suffer the heat wave, Woodsy. Managed to be productive earlier before perishing, has made 4 shorts, one of which I think Hime might like. Just quick plug while we're actually streaming. I posted a new short today. I think it's quite funny where I get my ass handed to me again in Elden Ring and I'm just like, please, I'm maidenless. And just like crying inside. They actually, on TikTok, it actually did okay. Just an instant 80 views, which was quite nice. Usually it takes a day or two before it takes off a little bit. But yeah. More Hime custom command. You'll be able to do it for your own version of ScoredBot. Please. Please. Woodsy won't suffer too much. He's going to perish instantly. Instant perish. Around means that my area is the only point in the local area to not be hit by the heat. How? How do you dodge heat waves? Like, what is it with the like that little leg of England? What? I don't get it. Oh god. Right. So that was the Twitch bot, basically mostly rewritten. I think it's I think it's ready to go. But one thing I do have to go through still, that is the song request manager. This boy's a chunky 1,288 lines. I have split it as much as I could into like the other little bits, like song data container also manages a load of stuff. And this is like 500 and so lines. But yeah. We have a lot of work in here. I worked so hard to get this to work so good. Like, the smoothness and how the bot actually works, I'm so proud of it. Those that have been here, like, for the year that, like, the year and a half, actually, that I've been working on this, you know, like, how bad it's been. How bad it was at the start. When we initially started this songbot, like, you all, like, feel free to, like slam it. It was so bad. But now, you gotta say, the bot works so smoothly, so nicely. Well, I am gonna say whatever song you throw at me. I have saved the 3 songs that did fail, and I have a theory of why they failed, because I haven't been able to replicate it. But yeah, yeah. Oh my god, it's been such a journey with this thing. Where was I, chat? Because you guys have been keep talking. Hima's gonna have like 5 One Piece commands. That wouldn't work. He would just hit the first one and be like, oh yeah, it's One Piece command. And just do the first one. Not unless, like, One Piece 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A day or two never does for me. My days are different. Like legit, I swear yesterday, moon was half. Oof, Twitch uses a lot of battery. Started with 22% and now it's down to 6. What? Turn down the quality is probably burning through you. Oh, we have transcoding, yeah. Knock down the quality, Woodsy. The quality will burn through your iPod. Now I go boom. It was full but hard. Not. I don't even know what you're on about. Hime go boom, big boy. Yeah, this boy is big. It is big, and my god. I live near the English Riviera, so that might help. From broken to smooth one, yeah. Oh, it took so much work to get it to like this. Anyway, I think I might disappear now before my iPod perishes before I do. I would have thought you'd be on your PC, Woodsy. Just like chilling on your or on your laptop or something. Because like, don't forget, you do have like, it is a laptop that you can like have on you. But if you are going, I'll see you around, Woodsy. When it first started in Fell in Love with Me. What? When it first started in Fell in what? Okay. I'm trying to remember how to paste blueprints next to each other easily in Factorio. If you find out, tell me, because you just set the thing in a Hime. What do you, why? You're just knocking people out. There was no reason to do that. There's no reason. But yeah, if you find out how to do that, tell me, because I tried to do the shift drag and yeah, that just makes a mess. Geez, sorry, I'm trying to read chat, Hime. I'm gonna go to more only so you can racks then. I'm working my way through chat. It's rude to just cut everyone off. Pog, I'm not restricted because she complained. God, my mods are evil. Oh god, right. Where shall I start with showing off ScoredBot anyway? Because like, there is just so much. Like, is there anything anyone wants to know in particular? I just noticed that is just totally empty. Set player, audio output, 0 references. Okay, actually, before I delete it, I should double check with the original. Song request manager. Did you do anything? No, it's just here. Doesn't. Okay, yeah. It's just. It just does nothing. Get rid of that. Literally complains again. My mods are rebelling against me. Oh my god. But yeah, so much work went into the bot. I don't know where to start with actually, like, showing, like, how this works. Because, like, we have the outer things that are like, oh yeah, play, pause, skip and stuff. But then the internal ones of actually getting them to play, pause and stop. Oh god. Oh, play media. This took... I swear, play media took God knows how many iterations to actually do. Because, yeah, when you have a song that hasn't been downloaded properly, you have to wait for it to download properly and then it would play. Oh god, and like... Was it... It must be like just over a year ago. But just over a year ago, I think it was like, the streaming part of YouTube DL just broke. Like, it was just gone. It was either gone or just absolutely just annihilated from, like, the system. It just didn't work at all. And literally, like, months into starting ScoredBot became inoperable. Just, it wouldn't work in the slightest. I had to work for days to come up with a solution. And that solution was to download all of the songs into like a folder and then just play them from that. We like for a time we didn't have any requests because we just didn't have like the capability to do both. I couldn't download and store and manage it and then play it, but now we do because of the work I put in. Oh god. Good times? Question mark. Apex downloaded. Now to download Aiko's birthday game. What'd you get from Aiko in the end, Revy? Also, tomorrow's probably going to be Apex, since, yeah, Apex new season. And it's a sniper character. And as a sniper person myself, hell yeah, we got snipers. But yeah, where do we start? The first part of playing a song is obviously randomly picking a value. Because, yeah, you know it's kind of annoying when you have things that claim to be random and then, like, you just seem to get the same repeating songs over and over again. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, there is no brain to ScoredBot other than this random number picker. And somehow this random number picker always picks, in the right moments, the meme songs and stuff like that. It has a mind of its own, and this little section of code is what's giving it its mind. And I don't know how it's done it. I don't know how a brain came from this, but it's all, as far as I could tell, it has been perfectly random every time. And there's been no need to change this. Monster Hunter, right? Ooh, you got Monster Hunter. I've never played Monster Hunter. It seems interesting, but it seems like a big time sink. The new character is OP. It predicts drop off on scopes for you. As a sniper character, as like a sniper player in general in like shooting games, like I had it ingrained in my head how to do that anyway. Just like without a visual cue, I can just do it. I had loads of fun in Monster Hunter Worlds. Yeah, they do look fun. I've never got into it though. Oh, but yeah, the randomizer. So, obviously grabs us. Oh, right, yeah, the ordering. So if the song is currently playing, I think it's from. Yeah, if it's been provided a song, it will then just proceed to just go and play it. But then afterwards, it will then grab a request, so then it'll just grab the next request from the song list. But then the randomizer. So the randomizer, we have just a random object, and I then give it lots of space to be like, yeah, be very random. Give it all the bytes it needs for the array, and then just be like, to the array just all 1,000 times, cycle through and generate a number. And from that is basically it. It just generates 1,000 random numbers, just in that instant, and yeah, it just gives you a perfect random number each time. And then that just sends that number off to make sure that actually to basically make sure it exists in the secondary song list. And then just be like, has that song been played? Yep. Get another one. Okay, there we go. Right. Oh my god. The sniper mechanics from Sniper Elite and Ape. Oh my god. No. Oh god. That would basically be the biggest nerf to snipers ever. Unless they made them like one-shot kill. Because Jesus Christ, Sniper Elite. You have to take into account wind, bullet penetration. Oh god. Her E is so freaky. As long as you have line of sight, you can do a 55-meter jump to your little familiar. Oh god, the mobility of that. I don't know what it is with them making mobility characters, but they're always super popular because mobility is super important to getting kills in Apex. It's super annoying. Oh god. Where was I? Oh yeah, having to go through and make sure the file exists. So if it's a... Oh yeah, the local file stuff is still in here. Currently, the local file stuff, I don't intend on bringing back local... Well, or I say bringing back. Bringing in a way to add local files immediately. That'll probably be like another couple versions down the line. But yeah, the local file system, like actually adding just local songs, not checking them, it's just... Ugh. Yeah, I'm not going into that. So it'll just immediately go into this. Make sure, like, if it's downloading, it'll wait for it. It has a checker to basically just be like, I think the total time it'll wait is 4 minutes. 3 or 4 minutes. I can't remember. But basically it'll throw a message if it does break. And because it throws, it just jumps out of this entirely. But yeah, it waits for the download to finish, and then if it isn't cached, it will then try again, I think. Yeah, it'll try again with a proper thing. With the await, it'll actually stick around and wait for it. Processes it into the media player, and then plays the song. I'm confused. Why is she a scout? I thought she'd be a damage dealer with that sniper ult. Yeah, like, if you look at the trailer, it's kind of like that new sniper character. She has a Kraber or something. She just one-shots everyone in the head with that sniper. It's like, Jesus Christ. In the end, it turns out it only does 75 damage to the head. And that applies like a damage boost to the next hit, I think. Of which you like hit them in the head for 150. It's so weird. Calculating wind trajectory, etc. would all be worth it just to get an X-ray kill on a Wraith main. Hell yeah. Oh my god, you just annihilate Wraith's testicles. Just pop. That'd be so funny. Is programming like writing essays back in school where you need to control S every 15 minutes? It depends what you're doing. If you hit build, it saves it. So like you're building, like for a project like this, anytime you make a change, you're typically like, right, I've made a change, start the bot. Okay, so this is what I just go to wherever I'm dealing with the thing, check the thing, close the thing. Okay, that's done. That it's effectively a Control S because it has to be saved to basically build it. If you know what I mean. So like you don't have to do Control S. Not like the reason you would do a Control S is basically if you're doing a long section of code where you're not actually building it every 5 seconds or 5 minutes or whatever. It's like, yeah. There's different reasons for it. Also, nice little show hide thing. Yeah. Instead of having the tab, it's just going to be in a... I say tab, the top bit. It's going to be in a nice little tab and you can just hide it. Which is nice. Apparently Selene was like, oh wow, her passive guarantees Kraber shots. Guarantees Kraber shots? Oh, right. Yeah, if she gets hold of a Kraber, no one knows, like, truly where the dipping points are for the Kraber. Because no one's had that enough practice. Not unless you're a pro or something. But, like, drop in Apex isn't linear. If you know what I mean. It's not linear because I think for the Sentinel, if it's less than 100 meters, it's pretty much bang on the dot. Like, in the center. You don't have to account for drop if it's 100 meters, I think. Anything beyond that starts to go into the drop area of, like, where you see the notches. And it goes at a weird speed. It doesn't go linearly. It's really weird and hard to explain. But with her passive, it will tell you exactly where to shoot every time. Kraber included. And whatever weird thing the Kraber is, whatever the weird pattern is for that, you just know it. And it's like, you're just, like, the most deadly. It's insane. Annihilate raised testicles. Yeah. Oh, God. Sniper Elite, you literally shoot testicles off people. No info leak, Pog. Yeah, I before stream, I opened this up and made sure I went through and cleared out the setting data. I do have a thing to open up the file folder. Oh, good thing that opened up on the other... That opened on my other monitor, because that just, like, the file system just showed my full name. Yeah, so I would show you that, but yeah, I have the settings saved in a thing called settings-copy for when we're done, and I'll copy it back over. Oh, God. Oh, the loading settings from file. We got the caching part, we got the actual, like... Yeah, so we got the song datas, so... You read all of it from a file. Why are you... what? Why are you just like... Oh, right, yeah. But ignore me. I was thinking, like, why is this just hovering? But then it's like, oh, right, yeah, it's a part of this, yeah. But yeah, it basically... all the songs get inputted with the song request data. It takes it all in, and it sorts all the data out, and then down here determines what to do with it. And will then, like, it's all multi-threaded and everything. It's like, you're not waiting on, like, it doesn't freeze while it's, like, processing everything. It's all nice and threaded. Well, that was nearly doxing. Yep, thanks, Windows. Thanks, Windows, for nearly doxing me. Spoiler, his actual name is Scared1. Oh, God. Oh, but yeah. Multi-threading. Praise multi-threading, otherwise your PC would just be stuck doing a single thing all the time. Well, actually that's not fully true, because they did come up with thread sharing. But that's a thing a long time ago now. Oh god, all the functions that actually make it work and stuff. Oh, here we go, the thing that gets called when you put a request in. So when you guys do a request, it comes into here. It's already been processed into a song data container. It basically determines, well, yep, the local file again, doesn't actually do this yet, because fucking hell, I've had so much to do. It basically pings YouTube for the song data. So that's the song data first, and then based on the song data, it will basically just be like if it's locally, then it just won't do anything. After that, it'll basically be like, if the link is just not right, it will then just chuck it into... No, wait, hang on. If the data's not right, it'll just chuck it away down here. But if the link is good, it'll just chuck it in there. Isn't the threading thing the issue... Isn't the threading thingy the issue Minecraft is a bit wacky? Yep, base Java Minecraft is something like 90% single-threaded. It is so bad. Like, someone has made a mod to multi-thread Java now. And looking at it, it revolutionizes Java Minecraft so much that if I was to ever play Java Minecraft again, I would instantly include that. Be it vanilla or whatever. It's like a literal game changer, because it just saves so much data. And like, you could do so much more in like Java Minecraft with it. So how does the bot actually access Google Pages? Or is that a command thing that allows it to access tabs? when you say Google Pages, I assume you mean YouTube. So I think I chuck that in the data container. So basically, here we go. So audio data. So in here, this is the song data container. These are all the functions and stuff that for each song to be able to do. It's a bit complex on the surface, but like all of the information for this is stored in a JSON file. I think I'll be able to. I think I have to grab it from this one. The new one doesn't have any songs in it yet because I'm still working on it. Let me just. Here we go. Yeah. Song request date. There we go. So when I save songs, they're all stored in this. This is a list of all the songs that I've saved into the bot. This is a short list because I don't need a full list for a test version. But yeah. It stores the link to the song, it stores who originally requested it, all of these being me because, yeah, it's a test version. It stores the title of the video, or, well, I say a title of the video, it stores... Actually, yeah, this is the title of the video, and then... Actually, I need to get the... I closed the thing, I'll show you the cached folder. The song thing didn't work properly because yeah, it's currently in a shutdown state, but it stores songs like this. So how it works is it stores the title of the song, and then it stores the code, like the YouTube code. So you've got the YouTube code and then the song title. So if you ever want the song from the thing, if you ever want to just copy the song and just have the song from the bot, you can literally just take the YouTube link, the little code, put it in and just search it in this folder, and then you can just copy the song, and then there you go, you've got that YouTube video in a MP3 format, which is quite nice. But yeah, since it's stored in a Windows format, if you ever encounter... I'm trying to look through the... see if there's any that would prompt an error. I think all of these are actually normal. Oh, maybe Papaya? Because, yeah, Windows, you can't have exclamation marks. So for song titles like this, it'll replace any invalid characters with a big letter X. Yeah, if here we go. So I don't think Windows will recognize that, or maybe even the dots for this one. But it basically just replaces them with a big letter X. Let me just close them. If I go down here, I'll be able to just show you in code, actually. This one is the information. This one's the song data. So when it is this it? Get files for each. Here we go. So basically just so how it actually creates the name for it, it takes the song title and then invalid, here we go. So I can't remember where I've invalid characters, and then it's just the Windows default section of invalid characters, which is quite nice. It basically just goes through the song title character by character and replaces them with a big letter X. If it finds anything that is can't be used to store a Windows file, and then it just throws it out into this format. So ID dash file name, and then the extension of the file, which currently we only use .mp3. I think YouTube DL would let me use other ones, but honestly, I don't want to get into that little. I don't want to get into that right now because, yep, this is all beta. I don't want to mess with I don't want to mess with all that. Ooh. So what do you guys think so far? Because like you guys asked for this. You guys asked me to do like a walk. Well, I say a walkthrough, a coding stream, whatever you want to call it. Are you impressed? When I say this takes a while, this takes a while. Oh god. Right, where was I? Song request manager. That was it. Saving the song list. Adding a singular thing to a song list. Ah, here we go. Submitting a song request. So that was actually just. Oh, that was just getting the data. Now, this is actually requesting a song. Oh god. I'm quite impressed. Also by the fact we're 1 hour in and you wrote zero new code. Oh god, like another problem with this is a lot of the code is going to be just copied from this probably. So like this old one, like I'm probably just going to be taking sections of it, copying it into the new one. Just like where's app. Yeah, so like currently all these need implementing and it's probably just going to be copy paste. Oh god. What a nightmare. I mean, to be fair, over here at ScoredBot TM, the first hour's always chill and slow warm up. Oh god, I mean, like, I don't know how long I'm gonna stream this for, to be honest, because I don't know if you've seen my Twitter. I've been feeling so rough. Am I like my sinuses, like, and my eyes and nose have been super like just ugh, just like it's hard to come up with a word for it, so I just go ugh. Like that's just describing it, and it's like I don't know how long I want to do this for, because even right now my eyes like hurt. It's just like having to squint at everything. Feeling pain, Pecco. Yeah, feeling pain. Oh my god. Oh yeah, if anyone would ever like to look at this, like I don't know why you would. If anyone would like to look at this and like how I've done particular things, like the song request manager has taken so much work into getting it into a download cache song, play song, remove song, saving song system to actually get it to how it is without actually streaming a song, because you don't want to stream a song. The second like it buffers, it ruins so much. Like you can find it all on the GitHub page. The GitHub link is down below in the songbot section to take you to the release page, but that's still just the GitHub of the bot. It like all the code is up there on there. If you ever want to look at it anytime to see how much I've done outside of like not this bit, like this is the new one that I'm currently working on that will replace most of the code in there. Like I'll just do that as like a git push as just a big replace, but it's so the link will stay the same. But yeah, it's like oh god, it's all up there if you ever want to look at it, if you ever want to learn from it, if you want to see how I did stuff. It's all up there on my GitHub. Monster to Rise downpog. When you want to play a game and it just goes down. It's so nice to only take 1 hour to download 30 gigs. Oh god, it takes me a while. It takes me a while. Okay. Oh yeah, that was just the actually like managing the song system. Freaking, because I got this in regions as well. Yeah, where's the region for this? Because I think this is a chunky region. Yeah, it is. Close that. Cache functionality. Update cache location. Cache. Manage cache after media ends. So actually manage, like, after every song end, it'll manage and try and delete that file. If it's not saved. Back at my parents, I needed 5 to 6 hours. Region, I can cut it into pieces. You can cut it into pieces? No. No, I think I used the wrong word. I mean, the update location, I think I meant to say, not region. Oh god, like if I could cut it into pieces, like why would I even cut it to pieces? Oh right, that's actually an idea to cut off like start and like to cut off like start and end points of songs. Ooh yeah. Oh, that would have to be like much later though. I don't have anything into like manipulate MP3s. I don't think there's actually too much in. Yeah, I think I've gone straight past the end point of. Yeah, it's just there. There's not much in there. The cache functionality. Yeah, and then all the little things that get, remove, add, checking, claiming, all the functionality of the bot just keeps going. At the end of every song, it just says "scored one radio." Oh god, that would be a dick move. Like anyone that wanted to save any songs, like from the cache, like into just like their own like personal media folder or something like that, and at the end, it's just like "scored one media." It's just wow, how much of a dick would I have to be to do that? And the funny thing is, I probably could do that as well if I put in enough time and effort. Ah, yeah. But that's my baby anyway. Huge PP move. Oh yeah, the other thing that changed recently because settings has been really annoying. Like how we stored settings in ScoredBot has changed quite dramatically. Like over the past couple updates, because I just haven't been able to get a good thing. Some. Oh yeah, that's just where is it? Property, program setting. Yeah, program settings. Oh, but yeah, I finally got the settings saving in a good way that I can just quickly add new settings. And like, it's like it's in a way people can't get it wrong now as well because the old way people like I knew Woodsy like granted he's not a coder and stuff like that. He inputted it wrong sometimes, like when he had to move stuff over. And it's like, yeah, it's understandable. Easy settings, you should DMV Rising. Their settings suck. It's like it's more saving the settings because how it all works is we save we me I made this. I saved it. I save all settings to a JSON. I save in a JSON format. So in brackets, it just saves all the settings into nice little bits. And the way I now finally have it, instead of having static program variables that are just like, right now go grab this one, chuck it into this class to then chuck it into a file. It's now chuck the setting type into here and then chuck the setting type like define the type of the setting in here and then there you go, you now have a new setting and it's so nice. So like some new things that are coming with the new update is I've actually got it saving the height, width and position on the screen of the window. So if you noticed as well, when I manipulated the bot, we now have a wide bot. Like, it started off as a small size, but like now it like opens in this larger size. All I have to do to like bring it back to this smaller size now is do this. Also, and to show like just remove those two, close that. I then reopen the bot, and it's not only saved the settings, it's saved the tab I'm on and the window placement and size, which is a really nice little thing that I've added. Because originally, if you just opened up ScoredBot, it would just be in the same place every time and the same size every time. So now with this, if you open it and resize it to a specific thing on like your monitor for streams, it will now open up in the same place in the same style every time. And it's so much nicer. It's such a little thing that I can now do. I can't remember where I put that. I think I put it in app building, but oh no, it'll be in main window. Main window. It won't be in the VM, will it? No, it won't be. Yeah, that's on tab visibility. Main window. Yeah, here we go. Main window closed. So when the window closes, it basically just stores. You can call this program settings, app settings, and then just edit multiple. So you edit max window, window height, window width, window top, and it just grabs the settings and then chucks them in, and it'll automatically write it. It's. And then if you ever need to grab something as well, so this is what happens when you load it. It'll go through each one. If it has an available value for maximum window, it'll output it, but then granted you do have to convert it into its type. But yeah, it's like you just get the value from the save now. It's so good. We at Scored1 Industries value our members. Scored1 CEO, Scared1 Human Resources, Score done in finance. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, my eyes are just like aching. I'm not used to having dark theme. I'm kind of tempted to just blind you all with the blue theme. Where was I anyway? Oh yeah, we went through program settings. We went through. Why are you open? Just. Oh yeah, song output text. That was just a nice little thing I made for the text on it. I'm not even sure I might need that. Will I need it? I might do it for a nice little label on the. Actually, that's a good point. The song song playlist man. Do I want it in song playlist or do I want it in? Yeah, I think this the song request is the actual player itself. So yeah, so we want this in this wrap panel. I could do it, yeah. I could have the scrolling text just there. Yeah, because I actually do. I forgot a label. That's actually a good point. Label. I'll just close this because we don't need it. Internal content is going to be defined by a binding. So yeah, we can't do anything about that now. Margin is 5. I needed to stretch though. I can't remember how you stretch it. I think it's just in here. Oh, it's all black. Eyes hurt because of cringe. Are you cringing at ScoredBot? How dare you? This is the thing that's been providing your music. Like, every stream, it provides your music. Like, how dare you insult ScoredBot? He works so hard.
Money! Yeah, baby, yeah!
Alan 125 cheered Dex 100, beep. 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 Beep.
Wow.
Beep. Beep.
Okay.
Beep. You are a scored 1 dyslexia 2.
You are a scored one dyslexia too. Yes, I am. Alan, thank you for the biddies. How you doing, Alan? You said your eyes hurt after you read my joke, dummy. My eyes hurt in general. Don't worry about it. Oh god. But yeah, the only thing with WPF is sometimes it can be really annoying trying to get something to stretch. Because this is covering the entire area of the top, but now I want this label to cover the rest of the area. And I can't just stretch it along because the window's obviously resizable. I'm heading home now and happy because one of my few packages is here. Nice, nice. Yeah, I got bullied into doing a coding stream. Please send help. Yeah, the freaking like from this it says it's on stretch mode, but it won't stretch, which is really annoying. Coding seems like a bitch, but I want to learn a bit of it out of curiosity. So I'm basically showing off ScoredBot. ScoredBot, like, for some reason, people requested that I just go through the code of ScoredBot and, like, maybe do a little bit here and there. But I'm also showing... I'm also showing all the hard work that went into making it into the smooth bot that we have today. Because you've been around the whole time, haven't you, Alan? You know how rough of a ride we've had with ScoredBot and the various errors and problems we've had with him. I wouldn't call it bullying, I'd call it persuasion. Was it this person? Oh, all this writing is ScoredBot. Deep down, it is ScoredBot. Everything about it. Where was I anyway? I was trying to stretch that label. I can't remember where it was. What page were we on? Oh, here we go. Oh, right, we have... Oh, I don't... Yeah, I haven't written all the bindings for these yet. All the commands and stuff are just not programmed in yet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, my god. Oh, all these checkboxes, none of them are connected. Oh my god, yep. So now you see my issue. All of the UI has to be done. It's just so much. Yeah, this is just completely empty. No bindings are done yet. No, I haven't been here this whole time, just got... You can wave all you want. Philly egg, oh my... Yeah, I don't know why she has that emote. Like, it's a muscular egg, and I'm not sure why Phillian has that. It is so cursed. Right, I guess the first thing I should do is actually, like, write the bindings for these, because, yeah. We have lots of buttons, and then we got lots of text as well. Since we don't have a scroll thing, I can actually just quickly define a private scroll object. I can't remember what the name was. Was it song scroll? Ah, output text. It wasn't even scroll, it was output text. Song output text, and then song text processor. Yeah, you don't want any. Just double check you are the correct one. Oh god, yeah, because of the old. Oh right, this is gonna need rewriting. The way because we had an update, it worked by calling process to basically just keep moving along the word. And yeah, that's not gonna cut it this time because we don't have that. If I want that to work, I'm gonna have to create an internal timer and work like that. That is gonna be rough. But yeah, we don't want that edited, so read only. Also, yeah, naming convention. Just keep the naming convention going. Hmm. Just make some regions. Because we're gonna have different sections. We basically got the player tab, the blacklist tab, and then the settings tab. So player tab, copy that. Blacklist tab, and then what was it? Settings. Fillion is cursed gremlin. Not gonna lie, at first I thought Fillion was femboy with really high pitched voice lel because of all the femboy VRC streamers. Oh god, I think it is a joke that Fillion is a man. I'm not sure, but like, yeah, it's weird. Hey there, babe. Do I look skinny for you? Do I look too skinny? Oh my god, I'm too skinny, and yet Hime clings onto me like hell. Pretty sure every girl VTuber has that I'm a dude joke. Fillion is a fun curse gremlin. Oh my god. Fillion is growing so fast. Like on Twitch and YouTube. She is growing at immense speeds. Like it is actually insane. Everyone loves the cursed Zoomer content. Hime clinging on that thick baby. Oh my god. How to get stabbed by Hime. Say cursed shit like that. Right, so we need a stop, play, pause, and skip command. I'm trying to remember. So it was public, I command, and then we have stop, player, command. This provides a new command, of which is what we do. I'm not going to populate it just yet because, yeah, we're just getting all the crap out of the way first. I've really messed up this. So this one is the play pause. And then this one is the skip. So now in here, I can now do command binding, and then, oh, what was it? I think I can just type. So stop player command. Yeah. It's been some time. It's been some time since I coded the bot because, yeah, pin. Just gonna copy the thing over. Play pause. Skip. There we go. So now those three will now do whatever I type in here. Oh, also we need a string. I just remembered. So we need a private string song label text. Oh wait, this is the private one. I don't need that. Then the public string song label text. I forgot to naming convention that. So this has a get. I put fet instead of get. Song label text. And then when you set it, it's literally just if song label text dot equals value. So if it doesn't equal it, we want it to replace it, and then also notify property changed of name of this value, which is song label text. Coding is fun. Chemicling on a stick. To be honest, I found her one day on YouTube Short and was like, "Ha, that funny." Found clips of her flashbangs. Okay, what the fuck is going on with her? Because funny. Yeah, I watch her actual like YouTube Shorts and stuff like that. They're the ones that mainly inspired me to bring the TikTok clips over to YouTube. Because I thought, you know what, like, the TikTok isn't doing particularly well, and it's on a platform that like I'm questionable, like have questionable opinion of. With YouTube, I have a subscriber base, and I think YouTube generally favors those that actually upload to it as well. And yeah, all the clips I make have just been performing a lot better on YouTube. So that's part of the why we just moved over to advertising the YouTube ones. I still upload to the TikTok, but yeah, now my energy goes to making good YouTube short content. Beat boot pain. Oh yeah, point at this fucking peak big head boy. I mean, it's an egg. Egg have big head. Very fun. This is me 6 weeks ago, but now I'm. So you can. If you could take those drugs for a monthly price, oh my god. Drugs are the way out. No, they're not. Right, for this one, we want the content to be the binding of song label text. Oh god. Right, those are just slider. I'm actually not sure what value is. Ah, here we go. Value. Range based value. I'll just chuck in here like just yeah, just make slider. I'm just checking. Slider value. Value is a double. So now the next thing we want is the volume value. Oh wait, I've done it as wait, oh that's I don't know why I'm going over to the old what. Yeah, so we need the double value stored, which then translates over to a string for the label. Yo scored, I found it. What you found? When you know horny versus when you are unless you score. What the hell? I just noticed there's a skinny version. I legit did not notice that you posted two different emotes. I thought it was the same emote. Oh my god. What is Fillion doing? Damn it. Yep, so we're going to get the volume slider value. I put pubic instead of public. Oh my god, I'm just typing under pressure. Ba-ba-ba. Volume slider value. I just type P. P is the way. And then notify property changed, name of volume slider value. Oh god, that was a loud transition. You can only do this to... Oh, the blueprint thing. You can only do this to blueprints rather than simple copy paste. You right click the blueprint, then tick snap to grid and relevate. Now you'll place the blueprint. You can hold and drag the left mouse to paste the recipe in succession without making a mess. Nice. I haven't loaded Factorio in a few days, but yeah, I'm gonna immediately put that on all my blueprints. Honestly, the one outfit I really love is the simple overall outfit with the X hairpin. Small Fillion, Little Phil. That is my favorite as well. Little Fillion, like, I don't know why she doesn't use it more, but Little Fillion just, I find, looks a lot better than the big Fillion. Like, the normal Fillion. Little Fillion, if I remember right, was her original model, and then she got this new one from someone. I can't remember why or something, but yeah. Also public variable, yeah. Don't worry, sweetie, just do your best, said every other mum with the when they record your fuck up. Oh my... Yeah, they're like, oh yeah, do your best, but then you fucking faceplant. Oh, that was it. I actually don't need to do all this for song label. Because this value is literally just connected to volume slider. So this is actually going to just be volume slider dot toString. That's literally it. I can get rid of that, and then to actually make it notify that it changed, I can do notify property changed. Name of song label text. There we go. Nice. ScoredBot becoming a teenager. Oh my god. It's hard to believe though, like, ScoredBot is like 1.5 years old from the very first iteration. Right, where were we anyway? So the contents of that is binding, and then I've already forgotten what it was. I did the wrong thing. Frick. I just immediately... Oh my god. Okay. Hang on. Let me just copy this. And we'll just undo our way out of this. There we go. Volume label text. We just control V. I accidentally I pressed both my on my mouse. I've got my two like quick buttons set to copy and paste. So like they're the only things I can do. And what do? I immediately click both of them at the same time. Genius. Right, there we go. So now I can chuck that one in there and then connect this value to volume slider value. Oh yeah, and actually set a default as oh, now I can actually connect this straight away actually. So program settings, app settings, try get setting. So we got available settings, app music volume, and then we out object. We'll just call it volume. Then we do and so we do volume is double. I'll just say D volume. Actually, I'll just say this is V, and then I'll just call that volume. So then we take volume, and then just volume slider value. Actually, I should quickly double check that. Actually, that might not be a double. Yeah, I did it as an int. So yeah, that's a good catch. Int, and then luckily int just goes straight into double. It doesn't need a conversion or anything. I need to actually update all my things with this version. Because I think I did it a different way, didn't I, for settings? Yeah, I literally just converted it. Actually, I'm actually not sure which one's better. I think I might just do it like that. Yeah, I'll just keep it the same. Just do that. But yeah, with that, let's test it. My favorite fillion is Nathan. I've not heard of that name. She got Dab's best VTuber. She really has become one of my favorites lately. Yeah, she's one of my favorites. Right, with that, let's. Yeah, here we go. So, oh, we need to restrict that a little bit. But there we go. We got the volume connected to the label, and it actually saves it as well. Anyway, I'm off to bed. Gotta wake up tomorrow morning so I can get so I can go code some more in Bash at work. Have fun with your bot and stuff. I see you, Scree. Hope you enjoyed the code. Actually, you can see that. Just making sure it didn't freaking Okay, right. I think it. I didn't want it to save that big long number. Yeah. Okay. Good. It didn't save that giant value. Yeah, because it's not connected. What is that request I see? I really like Dicks, a song by Bone Cage and Dan Bull. What is that? Oh my god. Okay. Right, so right, to get around that issue. Yeah, to get it right. Oh, hang on. There might be a thing on the slider to just do that. That's a layout. Where's large change? Is it text? No. Appearance. Common. Here it is. That's binded. Tick placement, frequency, small change. Hmm. I don't think I can. I might have to manually do it. Delay, focusable, interval. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to just programmatically tell it to just not do that. Okay. So I think it's math dot. I think it's is it floor? Yeah, floor the value. This is new songs I like. Hmm. Yeah, very Yeah, there we go. Nice. So now we got a flat number. Just thought there'll be a. Is there a close? Oh wait, no, it's on the. It's on. It'll be on the page itself. Can you not do it? Why did I do the main window? What is this song? What is this song? Oh, because it's a window. Okay. Okay, I'll have to. I'll just put in a to do here. All other settings that. Actually, no, 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 no. I won't do it there. What the frick is this song? Oh my god. Here we go, events. Drag event handler. I'll look into it later. For now, I'll probably just be like, yeah, I'll do program settings dot app settings, edit setting, available settings, app music volume, and then the string value is volume dot to string. Right, and now that'll save it anytime it's changed. Nice. We actually did something on stream. I actually programmed the volume slider. There we go. Well, partially. It would still have to connect to the actual song request manager to actually manage volume, but yeah, that's one part of it done. Oh, we need two buttons for save current and remove current. Save and remove. Save song command. Remove song command. And then the last one is add a new request, remove a new request. Oh, that's actually a good point. I should actually name it a little bit differently. Add the word current. Did that change it here? No, it didn't. Sorry, I'm having a big issues. I'm BRB. In a minute. In a minute, Ravi. Oh god. Yeah, my forehead is my forehead is not having a good time. Luckily, I see the doctor again on Friday, and it seems to be like when I'm waking up, it's not as bad now, but like earlier in the day, it is so rough. It is like there is a lot of pressure on my head. Right, we need two more commands. Add a new request and then remove request. I'll call it selected. Remove selected song and then add new song command. Command binding. There we go. Oh, it is. It is there, but it wasn't showing up. Scored forehead versus the pain. Oh god. Wait, hang on. That's not right. What? Okay, that's not correct. Well, immediate thing to fix that is just swap it round. Um, Where's the box? Does it need the full room to be enabled? Nope. Okay, that's just weird. Where's the text box? Why do I recognize the voice of this? It sounds familiar. It just sounds like Project Melody. Holy shit, how did I get that? Project Melody Yandere. I have not heard this song before. I got so lost quickly managing emails and comms orders that I didn't put my burger on. Oh no! Food missing. Oh no. Fries are mostly done. Oh no. Can I not edit a text block? Is this something else you use to edit? I thought you used a text block to edit. Oh, there is a text box. Swap it to text box. See if I can. Ah, that immediately seems like I can edit it. Minimum height will set to 25. Yeah, so then if I start. Ah, there we go. Yeah. Text alignment, I won't mess around with that. I'll keep it on. The hell? Why is it in this? Oh, there it is. Center. We want it on the left. Yes, Melody. Cool burger on high temp for quick cook. Set fire to burger. Right, so we need a binding for the text and then a button. Oh, but then we also that's kind of annoying. Yeah, so we're in this section now. We need a command for the button. Blacklist. User command. So we need a string pring. Why? Private string. I'll say text box username. String text box name. Even after using this keyboard for coming up to a year, I'm still not used to it. I put. Oh, it's a string, so equals value. Doesn't equal it. Text box username equals value. Notify property changed name of text box username. Okay. I have to do this for every single binding. Every single binding. We got an exciting Twitch comment. Nice. He made making bank. Little dragon, I wish to be buff. Yeah, sure. Magic words, Apex. The Selene and Fillion emotes. Nice. Right. So, immediately content. Wait, hang on. We want the text of this bound to the. I really should add a text box black list. Better naming. Better naming. Command. He may spend in bank to make bank more. Yeah! Spend money to make money. Right, the other thing we actually need is a bool. So we just go straight for bool. Enable blacklist button. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing it out of all. My head is just. Ugh. Ooh. Name of. Oh my god. Right. And with that one, I connect it to. I assume it's called is enabled. Yep, it's called is enabled. Binding. That one. There we go. I like this song because of the beat. It does have a nice beat to it, but I have no idea what they're saying. BRB burger making. In a minute, Hime. I don't know how much longer I'm going to go on for, because obviously head is pounding, and I'm kind of like, what the hell do I talk about while I'm typing? Da, da, da. I don't know what to name this one. It's the song request on button. I'll just say song request on button. Ooh, I actually have to do another slider. That's interesting because I can just copy this. Nice. Uh, so request label text. There we go. And then request label text. Wait, what? Oh, frick. Oh, there's two different things. I didn't need the top one. Whoops. Yeah, and then that one's max requests. Song is the battle song for your head pin or theme song. Ah, yes, my head pin needs a theme song. That's exactly what it needs. Oh, I'm also quite hot. Uh, da, da, ba. Right, and then this is max request. So we'll just call that ah. Make sure that is actually a correct cast as well. Yep, max request. It's an int. Awesome. Right, I have no idea what to do with that. Oh yeah, it needs editing because it needs its own timer now. Yeah, because of the WinForms version, that needs its own timer because it used a different update. The headpin shit, bros. I think we're dying slowly now. This was a fun run, y'all. Here's brothers. We live to fight another week. Let's go. Oh my god. Hmm. Right. I think while I'm at it, while I'm actually doing stuff, I think I should just try and redo this. So first thing, I actually have to store the oops. I have to actually store the output now for when it actually wants it. Output string. So it will then get that. There would be no set because you can't set it from the out, you set it from the in. Can I change that from 75? Did I... Oh, there we go. Oh, it's private. Why did I set a value on that? I could just have it as... Also, that says 95 instead of 75. What was I thinking? What was the organization of this? Oh, was it timer? I'll have to get it from this main form at the top. Timer from forms dot. It would be from forms dot timer. Oh my god. Was the song what kind of song title is that? What? Right, please tell me I've got forms. I do not. Frick. Okay. UI won't do. Probably timers. Just do that for now. Also, this is going to want a time span. Is it going to... In fact, no, hang on. Oh, wait, yeah, it's the interval between updating. Okay, yeah. So that's the amount of time between updates. I'll just chuck in time span dot zero for now. Are you even used? Find all references. Ah, it is. Oh god. Why are you still in use? Media player and song loader. Oh, song request manager. Balls. That's all the gets. No, wait, that's all the sets. That's not the gets. Okay. From seconds. We'll do it every second, just for now. There we go. Oh, that a non-error. God's sake. Okay. I am so warm. Right, timer. Can I use you as an update? Elapsed. Dispose. No, I can't. Crap, I can't remember how. You're gonna have to think of a different way to update this. Hmm. I'll have to come back to that because, yeah, I don't have the forms version of update now. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to think of a new way to do that. Oh, I started to get a stomachache now as well. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Just, I don't know how to describe this. I don't like it's hard to make content out of this. Like, what do you guys what do you guys think of this? Have you enjoyed like me just running around programming stuff? Because it's like like I myself enjoy programming, but like, is it entertaining for you? Probably not. Wait, hang on. So is checked is, and then checked is an event. Okay, so is checked. Me looking at some weird lyrics song to play for Scored. Oh my god. Very vibey, and it's interesting to see something like that. I'm just struggling right now because my phone broke. Your phone broke? Oh no. How'd you break your phone? I've instantly forgot the names. I'll just put E streamer. Oh god. Yeah, I think after I've done these, I'll call it a day because I am struggling both with aches and pains, and I just kind of feel awkward. I don't know. Don't know. Super laggy. Not responding to stuff. I can't turn it off. If it broke it by breaking it. Oh wow. Okay. Broke it by breaking it. Yeah. That's how it's done. Mods VIPs. What was I thinking here? Exclude mods VIPs. Exclude mods VIP. Blacklisted mods VIPs. What? Oh, but oh, I think I get that. What on earth are you guys requesting? What? What? I just got this phone a week ago and I didn't even touch it, and now it's not working anymore. Oh god, that does not sound good at all. Well, at least getting it a week ago, that'll be definitely within warranty. Oh, whoops. I'll think of a different name for that one at the bottom. Jesus Christ, that is a terrible name. Right, okay. That's all the bindings written for that. Oh my god. You see why it's taking so long? It's just, ugh, pain. Pain and suffering. Oh, why they blacklisted? What am I... Basically, it's just different sections to, basically just be like, these people can and cannot, uh, like, these people are facing restrictions on what they can request into the bot. Oh my god. Anyway, it's 11:30 and I think I might call it a day there because my sinuses are on fire. It is also very warm, so I am very uncomfortable and kind of struggling to keep this entertaining. But yeah, that is my insight and in look into ScoredBot, the revolutionary Twitch bot that will hopefully one day overtake even the likes of all the other bots. Hopefully in the future. Hopefully. Please. Please, for the love of God. You are my everything. Right, I'm just gonna swap that over. Right, yeah, hope you all enjoyed yourselves. Stream is a bit short, but yeah, I'm currently feeling... I'm still feeling quite rough. I'm hoping it calms down over the week and maybe I get some medicine like on Friday to help deal with it. I'll probably be streaming Apex tomorrow because like yeah, new season. I want to get my sniper skills in and to go. ScoredBot is short for ScoredBot Auto Pin Him. ScoredBot over the years has brought me much pain. But he has been a good boy recently. He has been a good boy. Right, I'm gonna drop you all off onto Sharky. Because I don't see anyone else to go for. Just double check I've got his name correct. But yeah, now that I know, freaking coding on stream feels kind of awkward. Not gonna lie, it was a good time, but yeah, coding on stream is quite awkward. Hope you all enjoyed yourselves anyway. I've been Scored1. Next stream will hopefully be tomorrow because I've been feeling really on and off. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for Apex or whatever happens. I'm not sure. Bye, guys.